this month we've got our 10-inch Audrey columns on sale. And a lot of times I'm asked, well, what's the deal with a column? What's the difference between a column and a standard? Standard is a standard tree form with a stem and a canopy. The columns, it's a special way that these things were cultured, leaves the leaves persistent all the way down to the soil. So these leaves on the stem make it a column. As you can see, we've got plenty of them. They're on sale, 69 bucks. We'll ship them right to you. But one of the secrets here is if you get a column and you end up, well, maybe I don't want the column. I want the standard form. Well, all you got to do to turn a column into a standard form is take the bottom leaves off. So I'm going to take these guys off. Pruners, you can see it's a column. It's got the leaves all the way down to the bottom. And if I take these leaves off, now I've got a 10-inch Audrey Standard. Easy peasy, no problem. That's all you got to do. So if you want the column, buy the column on sale, and then you can turn it into a standard if you don't like the look of the column. Again, May. These guys are on sale, 69 bucks. Pick them up. We'll ship them right to you. We got plenty of them. Go PLANTZ.